Nvidia's boss says there's still life in the AI boom. The company posted an upbeat growth forecast for its first quarter Wednesday, helping to soothe worries that demand for Nvidia hardware would cool off after DeepSeek burst onto the scene. Last month, the Chinese AI startup claimed it developed AI models at a fraction of the cost of Western rivals like OpenAI. The shock saw Nvidia lose $593 billion in market value, the largest one-day loss for any U.S. company. However, in an earnings call Wednesday night, CEO Jensen Huang said orders for Nvidia's new flagship Blackwell AI chips were, quote, amazing, and that booming demand for AI chips was intact. Nvidia expects a total revenue of $43 billion for the first quarter, compared with analysts' estimates of just under $41.8 billion. But the Santa Clara-based chipmaker says gross margins will be slightly lower. That's due to the costly and complicated ramp-up of the Blackwell chips. Earlier this week, a Reuters exclusive said Chinese companies are buying up Nvidia's H20 chips at record rates due to booming demand for DeepSeek's low-cost AI. Those chips are capped in power as part of U.S. sanctions. The Trump administration is now considering restrictions on H20 sales to China. Speaking to Reuters, co-founder of IDX Advisors Ben McMillan said potential extreme measures under the Trump administration, such as capping the quantity or types of Nvidia chips to China, could be a real concern to the AI powerhouse.
I think the bigger concern is that if it does get more extreme, you might see China start to reduce demand and pivot to internally sourced chips, or again just something out of what we saw with DeepSeek, where they just figure out how to do more with the lower tier Nvidia chips, which aren't banned.
In more positive news for Nvidia, its Spectrum-X Ethernet for networking was chosen for Trump's Stargate data center project, according to CFO Colette Kress. Nvidia shares bounced between gains and losses in extended trading Thursday, after closing up 3.7% in regular trading, while the news seemed to put a rally in China and Hong Kong over DeepSeek on pause, with stocks broadly falling.